In this video, I will show you how to set a password on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to set a password, the first thing you're going to want to do from your desktop is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In here, you want to type settings, and then underneath best match, you want to click onto settings. Once you're on your settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto accounts, and on the account screen scroll down a bit to the account settings and you're going to see an option here called sign in options. Give that a click and that's going to take you to a screen like this, and if you look in the top section about ways to sign in, you're going to see the option for password. From here, what you want to do is click onto the password box, and what that's going to do is bring up a button like this to add a password. What you want to do is click the add button, and that's going to load up a window like this where you can enter your new password, confirm the password and add a password hint. Once you've entered those details in, come down to the bottom and click onto next, and as you can see, next time you sign in you'll be able to use your new password. So just go ahead, click finish, and as you can see that's just going to update and add a password to your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So that's how to set a password on your Windows 11 PC. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.